give them your number. So when they come to Negril, they must contact you for good vibrations.
853-655-6.
All right.
Balvin.
Respect. So I don't know Kelly.
I see him to me just last word talk, you know. Miss him. If I hold it to go island, you know. If I hold it to go island, you know. How long will I get?
You gonna work tomorrow morning?
You know what I eat.
So how much you charge?
I'm not sure. But we can talk to you. You can just go in and just...
You charge up on the phone. So we're there. What have to buy a fish?
Fish? Come on, catch the show there.
You catch fish?
Because I'm out to know.
You have pot out there too?
No man, when you come here, what you say? Well, I'm telling you, I like get short now.
Captain Kelly in the house, man.
Do you know who we are?
No, I don't.
Do you see his shirt?
TMZ Jamaica Good Life.
Yes. We are international enterprise.
Yeah?
And your boat with your phone number is about to go to 2,000 people per day.
Yeah?
So when they come vacation, they'll be looking for you.
Yes, man. Make it 4,000.
4,000. What time we can leave out tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow, Friday. Tomorrow, Friday, man, don't it?
Do we need to buy a fish?
Yes, man.
I tell him, say, okay, fish on there. I'll talk about it. Stick it on the patch on this one.
We have everything, man. We can buy your own stuff when you're there.
Alright, so we'll buy some fish today.
Yeah.
And lobster? And bring the pots? What do we need?
We find everything.
So tell the people what you do.
Huh?
If people come down, what and they want to take your boat, now that you're the official Jamaica Good Life, positive vibration boat, that's what we promote you as.
Yeah.
What should the people expect from you?
Well, this is what they expect, you know, when you come to Negril and meet Captain Kelly. 3 of the excursion on the 7 Mile Beach, I will do it with you, yeah? One of which I take you to the Bubiki Island there. I could take you to the Bubiki Island from 10:30 in the morning until about 3:30 in the afternoon. We come back time for sunset. Then I could take you over to the Coral Reef, where we go over there for 2 hours, 2.5 hours snorkeling. This is where I show you the marine life. Personally myself, I take you around. I'm your guide. I'm also your captain first. And then I take you back there for the sunset cruise. No, the sunset cruise is different. On the cliff, when you go back at the cliff there, it's different from here. The water is more deep over here. And you get to see the caves that we have. So many different caves. We have so many places you can jump off. We have so many places you can sit and watch a beautiful sunset. Rick's Cafe is not the only destination when we go to the cliff. There's many places. And trust me, when you come with Captain Kelly, you get to experience all of them. Right? So when you're ready for some fun time and some good food, some positive vibration, I'm the man you come and see.
I do something with him tomorrow morning.
Let's do that.
So let's get the fish.
Where you plan? What you have to work tomorrow? Like right myself. You're not gone, man. You're not coming.
This is Jamaica Good Life. All I really want now is a good wife. You see, me and my wife could have done on the boat, you know, trust me. This is what I tell this. But she don't want to pick up the phone. No, man. She said I'm not rich enough yet. She said I don't have enough money. So I hang around with big belly people. And people with...
But you need to make sure you know, sir.
30 foot.
You need to make sure you know, sir, when you get rich, you still hang on the big belly people, so she still not want to come on over there. And the double people.
I drop me on my cat people. I don't want to get no ideas, guys. You have to watch what you're saying in the world. Just, you have to watch what you're saying now. But yeah, man, Jamaica Good Life ran the habit. Me not have the good life.
And tomorrow I have engagement for tomorrow.
You have engagement? How much you have?
At the island tomorrow. I was planning to go to the river tomorrow.
The river?
These are my friends that I just take here yesterday from the airport. Yeah, Taylor.
So you're busy?
Which I remember about tomorrow?
The rolling river. That would be nice if you can come. Tomorrow I go to the rolling river.
What time tomorrow I got rolling river?
No, I need to sit around.
How much time you have come? This one come up. Anyway, but tomorrow come up. But you want to down out, right?
Nicholas, you see, I don't have it organized. You see, I just come. I don't have nothing organized. Them just come in last night.
Good, you have to attend to your thing.
Sunday, so not forget everything together.
You have to do your
Yeah,
thing.
I need time.
No.
So what you can do, you can short me.
Yeah.
You have a cat?
So don't show too, because I'm have engagement. You work with people with them things. Here's another day now.
I know I say if you put up with time and clock out with him tomorrow.
Yeah, that's all. We can roll by ourselves.
Yeah, we can go behind them and serve one time.
But them not the river. Come.
You don't know what they're
Them
doing.
have a hole you jump in.
Ask him what. I've never been to a river.
And Nick, you're watching Nick fight.
I've never been to a river.
Watching Nick fight. That's why I'm going to detective FBI mode for once. That's when we become professional. The professional Nick is not a pretty Nick, you know. You see the laughing Nick? That's why they want to be around.
Okay, you don't want to be serious, man.
No, serious.
So that means when he gets around the boxing.
Tell us, we're supposed to go on that time. We have to do tomorrow. No, we can't do it.
Alright, good. So now the question is, tomorrow, what if you leave out, we just, you're gonna drive.
Yeah, man,
Yeah, bus you a drive.
And how far is it?
About 45 minutes.
What about in the river?
Spitalfield.
What do you know?
We'll cook, we'll swim in the river, we'll just have some fun time.
Yeah? So
Fresh water, we don't have to pay for going.
But you don't know
We
what
have to
time.
get some food and stuff.
You don't know what time it though.
I have to say, because you call me in a bit. Call me in maybe 2, 3 hours from now. And talk to everybody.
Anyway, see you. Respect. Captain Kelly.
Shabba lives. Shabba spent 2 nights away after today, no? Yeah. That travelers can't hold it.
Okay, so I'm going to move on.
Today what, Friday? Today I'm moving. Yeah. Guys, talk to you later, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Got you.
man. All right, Kelly. Now, just
Respect,
yeah,
respect.
man. All right, daddy.
Respect.
Look a bit. Look a bit. Look at his heart.
What is Nick in professional mode? Talk to the people.
Yeah. I have to.
You see, we're making a deal.
It's gonna be a time when Nick chip to that serious engagement.
Because our work time are coming up.
Yes, they actually.
I'm getting out of the mode.
Yeah. You tell you about organizing, you have to be organized. I have to be worrying about my clothes.
You want now? You're going to link Kelly later. Find what time them move.
What time?
See, you're going to run over tomorrow.
You work today?
You're not going to work tonight.
And then now when we go over, we just fall back in time.
Yeah, I'm going to fall back in time for you to work. So I'm going to run over by your latest 12.
What I can do is carry my clothes, crisp and everything. They just drop me up a road same time.
Yeah,
So beard off,
yeah.
everything got fresh water.
Fresh water. Fresh water.
Beard off. The clothes well iron. Hang up in the car.
Fresh water, man.
And gone with the perfume, everything in it. They just drop about the stuff in there. So if we even half an hour, you know, we don't go ahead and then go ready and come. We just ready and go same time. It can work, man. Because if you go in early, man, I will live like 1 o'clock, 1:30.
Nicholas. Boy. What you gonna say?
Oh, yeah, no right there. So what's the next time? Big thing like that.
You know, so big one.
I'm a chin on to what?
Nick, get serious. Time for work. Look on the girl, people. Jamaica Good Life. Nick has to get into the mode of production and the working girl and that.
I don't know what. It's a party.
Nick, serious again. You see me know the bipolar kicking in. Nick said,
I'm just organized.
alright, you see some jelly mix. This is run the Jamaica Good Life with up on the thing now. So the man there, Soldier Trusty, and Soldier Nick, see me? And the general that. Are the biggest people that.
Tomorrow,
So this is Randy with the good hat. Trusted by a hat for me. One of them can and them number, right?
Yeah, man. One in Chura in Canada. Chura in number, and I said, whatever can find them.
Yes. People live how them want to live. Dress how them want to dress. Like when Nick silent, you know, I don't like when Nick silent. You have to watch them Taurus people when them silent. Today was good. Nice dipping out the pool. I'll walk later over Pokey and be surprising. I was so shocked. The show must go on. Like Nick gets sad when work time go.
Look, so. What's the first party? How can I go on with this? In it. The first party, how can I go on with this?
When it comes to work time, then you have to work.
That's so you go on.
Everything you have to do, you have to set everything
Order.
categorize the time.
Sure.
You understand when you start reaching the work time, you have to have free work.
Yeah.
Just your face in order.
Yes. Your teeth them good.
Teeth them white.
I mean,
Just your teeth in order.
you tell him, no, Nick, make sure you brush your teeth good, you know. You can't lose job because teeth, I want to look a piece of guinea seed stuck in it.
Yeah.
You don't want no seed to stuck in your mouth.
No seed can stuck in my teeth, huh?
Yeah, man. Okay, anymore, man, two mango. You said Jamaica Good Life people, this is why. You see them little mango, they most sweet to right. They will not have to come up, man.
Yeah, coconut. Jelly. Jelly. Jelly got that.
Alright.
Jelly got.
You want to do the mango?
Why mango then go?
We should get 4. I know one of the big one too. Big one too. No.
One of the big one.
4 of the little one. One of the big one.
Look one there, sweet. You sure you lie? You sure you lie? Oh. What's that? You kept it on. No, I name this. No, I poke it out. I poke it out. You know what? Something else I can't.
Alright, get the thing. Get the big mango to me.
A good one. What's a big one for you now? Big one too? Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
We could find a better one on this.
Are you ready for it? Yeah. Nick, you want a mango? Yeah? Alright, now you must wash. No, Nick. Please don't eat mango off of the street. You want a mango, Tristan?
No, all that.
Oh, maybe leave so I don't know what now. Can't have to buy them around here.
Absolutely, we have to wash them first.
Yeah, man, we have to wash them, man. We never used to wash them if we pick them. Dirty.
Yo, daddy, we have to wash the mango them or we can't do them the same way? We can wash the mango them or not to wash them?
Yeah.
Alright, daddy, respect.
Much time we get?
Hey, boy. I'm not getting enough money, man.
Shot. Respect.
You see, when I see a woman with them baby farm bike, now hold no hand, I said, Lord, God bless the child, we're having more taxi. As them people are do what them have to do. But, you have to bring baby farm bike, right?
Let you hold the baby.
When you hold the baby, then when you drop it,
Well, I did amen. When they drop it, say amen. You like biking or something, you can't say anything like that. Kind of something I like. There's so much of pokey later. So it's
Nick not gonna run a pokey.
when you say much of pokey later.
We can't put Nick in a position right now. Listen, we can't do that. Back on the road again. He's Jamaica Good Life, man, on the road.
We don't know when they do them. We can't find them. Once you start watching them, they're machine. What is it? What is something? See me take up the clothes and I find like they can't wash. I'm violence you preaching. I'm gonna be gospel. They kill Steve, you know. You know, the Steve are fast.
Going for death.
Going to the but guess what? Steve say, the gays are into heaven and you see what? You see Jesus, the right side of God, sitting on the throne. Eh? You see a man in my house, I stole him. Wait, them not see that in his face. Good man.
Yes, John.
Yes, yeah. What?
They put ring gate. Come on, so what? So my man. I'm not know anything. So one there, so all there, so.
So I can boil young breadfruit and mash it up with butter. Them say young breadfruit can't crush.
You work to can't crush, man. You can't eat with the butter, you can't crush. You can't tell me nothing.
People look on the breadfruit them on the tree and trust you tell me say the breadfruit and you can't. You cannot.
Young breadfruit cannot crush.
So you tell me say if you pick one breadfruit and boil it,
Yeah.
cut out the nigger. You tell me say that's soft.
Can't crush.
What it a go? I don't believe you, know. Don't believe you. The breadfruit them look so nice.
You press the car, young breadfruit.
Right, yeah, so that one there.
Which one?
That one there. That ready for
Young breadfruit, that'll top it down, little bit down there.
that one there.
Then that young breadfruit.
Okay, yeah, them there. I wouldn't touch them, don't trust it. That would be illegal.
Let me tell you what you
That would be
can't
illegal.
Let me tell you what you can't
Why would I do that?
Alright. You have to be more specific when you're talking about.
Okay.
Don't say yo.
Okay. Why would I do that? But this one right here, so. Nice. Alright, people, I'm gonna throw the mango seed right there, so. And I'll come back next year, come see it. The people that man likes around you is a dirty. Take the mango seed off of the people them zinc cover. But let's say other things up there. Randy, with the international big, I've watched YouTube and this is what you're filming? Just tell me that. Alright. Them is around the damn fool. The man I film my throw mango seed for seed. Hey, Jamaica Good Life. Look here. That's how we live in Jamaica, you know. Jamaica is so wealthy, it's so blessed. Look here, we don't need bread, right, Trusty? We don't need bread.
They don't need bread.
So we don't need bread, we don't have bread on tree.
I know about that bread.
Hmm?
I know about that bread.
You have something else? This mango is delicious. Your life's so good, don't you, so? This is wild too much, Trusty. People them live them life. Is a scooter more on just like a beach. Mango nice. My first mango since I come. It's not like a river. You know, them put bamboo in the wall. And the water is a drip down. So the car good for go Manchester?
A weekend and a Sunday and come and sit there, you know.
Send me. So you can visit your mother?
I'm going to function.
Send me.
I'm going to go on my mother's side. Yeah,
After 3 hours.
5 hours.
5 hours. 5.
Every time I leave here,
Go and come.
I'm going to let's not come down. I leave here at 3:30.
Wait, at 5 go and 5 come?
Let's not come back, man. I leave here at 3:30
5 morning.
Friday evening. Traffic I'm over here. Traffic at home. I live in every town in traffic. That slow me up, reach up 8:30. I left up so 9:30. I return at myself after 1. Oh, the after 1.
Oh, why that? 5 hours?
Yeah, no, pick up here, no. Some lunch special something.
Oh, that's one now. No emancipation.